Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you a common problem with a pivot bearing on the crankshaft. So we have that Jetta here, TDI, but that relates to any vehicle that has a pivot bearing, and pretty much every vehicle does have one. So that TDI was making a terrible noise, and what caused that was the pivot bearing. Failed pivot bearing. Somebody put a new DMF, if you know the dual mass flywheel right here. So what happened? They didn't put a new pivot bearing, and when they installed the transmission, they messed it up. And what happened? All those little rolls, they were inside, and they were making a terrible noise. They were jumping, you know, up and down everywhere, going everywhere, and that was making really bad noise. You can see that's where the pivot bearing should be, and now we need to clean it and put a new one. But if you do a transmission replacement or clutch replacement, anything like that on standard, you need to make sure your pivot bearing is good, and we recommend to replace that one, because you might have big problems in the future. Then you have to pull the transmission again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.